Wait, I don't know why. I do know why. Why so loud for no reason though? Oh my god, guys, I'm at the park. I got breakfast with me. I have some yogurt with granola, blueberries, strawberries, pretzels, and I had a banana, but I ate it earlier because I was starving. I'm currently at one of my favorite places. I won't tag it because I don't want nobody to be here when I'm here. But ew, what the fuck? I love this place. So cute. I'll show you a little. So I'm at one of my favorite spots, right? And there's this lady that she's just moving. She's like just moving the tables. Like just moving the tables. And I'm like, I was like doing my whole thing. And I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm like scared. Like, she coming here? Like, I'm gonna lock my windows. Fine, I think I'm gonna go out and eat outside. I'm currently at the park. I just worked out, and then I brought breakfast with me, and I was like, let me just go to a view and eat the food, right? But then I was already here, and I'm like, let me just eat the food at the view. No, look at it. So I'm just trying to find a cute spot where I can eat my breakfast. I'll show you what I have later. Is there a spot where I can eat? Because if there's not, I'm gonna be upset. I want like a lonely spot. I want nobody to be there. Oh, I love this. I'm going to cry. I should have brought my drink. Guys, this view, it's beautiful. I just finished my breakfast. I have some breakfast.